Hey y'all. So as y'all can see, my chair came. It came pretty quick too. But I was putting my chair together today, so I didn't have time to prep food or nothing like that because I want to get this chair done. And as you can see, this chair is beautiful and it's worth every dime that I spent for it. I promise you that. So today's meal is leftovers. I have some grilled salmon, some mashed potatoes, a crab cake, and some green beans. And so that's what our meal is going to be for today because we had to get that chair together, baby. And we did. I did. So y'all can do whatever y'all want to do with y'all leftovers, but this is what I do with mine. So let's cook.